18 essential elements of authentic Japanese garden design give your outdoor space a holistic upgrade with these ideas inspired by traditional Japanese landscapes. Drawing from Buddhist, Shinto, and Taoist philosophies, Japanese garden design principles strive to inspire peaceful contemplation. They often combine the essential elements of water, plants, and rocks with simple, clean lines to create a tranquil retreat. You can borrow inspiration from these Japanese garden aesthetics to bring a meditative quality to your landscape.